Alright, this video is going to be about exponents. And I notice in our book that they're talking about exponents. So I want to make sure we have at least a little bit of a basic understanding about exponents. So with exponents, and if you look at my other video on exponential notation, okay, this will lead into that, or that'll lead into this. But we need to know two things. There are kind of two numbers. This number right here is called my base. And this number up here is my exponent. And when we use exponents, what happens is, whatever the base is, that number will not change. The exponent will tell me how many times I will multiply the base by itself. Okay? So for example, if I had a 3 here, and I had a 2 here, that would mean that I'm going to multiply 3 2 times, not by 2. 3 times 3. There's 1, there's 2. So 3 squared means 3 times 3, that equals 9. Okay? Now the numbers are going to get big pretty fast when we use exponents and exponential notation. If I have 4 to the second power, that means I'm going to multiply 4 times 4, and that's going to equal 16. If I have 2 to the 4th power, okay, I want you to think about that before I put the answer down. Did you think it was 8? It's not 8. And that's what a lot of kids will think. They'll jump to the conclusion, oh, 4 times 2 or 2 times 4 is 8. No. Okay? Although they have the same numbers here, here I have 4 2 times, here I have 2 4 times. So this is going to be 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, and 8 times 2 is also 16. Okay? What happens if I have, let me go ahead and erase that one up there. What happens if I have 5 to the 3rd power? Go ahead and see if you can figure that one out before I give you the answer. Ooh, you're done already. Okay, that's good. You're fast. Okay, so this equals not 15. Don't think it's 15. A lot of kids say 15! No. This is 5 times 5 times 5. So 5 times 5 is, you got it, 25. And I just like to think quarters whenever I think of 5. Right? So 5 times 5 is 25 times 5. That equals 125. So we can see how the numbers are going to get really big, really fast. Okay? And that's what we have to be careful when we're doing exponents. Okay? These are not, we're not multiplying. Otherwise, I might as well just write 3 times 2, 5 times 3. This is our base. This 3 tells me I'm going to use this base 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. Okay? So the numbers are going to get really big, really fast.